Hello, this is Steve, KG4LJB, with a short video that illustrates the utility of the SteppIRtest Deluxe Breakout and Test and Evaluation board seen on the left. It's connected to an SDA2000 controller, which is currently set to control a DB42 antenna. So all 5 channels will be tested in this example. What you see here is the unit in the rest mode. It has completed the tuning process and it's generating a small holding voltage as illustrated by the dimly lit LEDs. When I press one of the band buttons to make it change to new band, you'll see all the LEDs light up quite brightly. They are actually flashing, but they're flashing so quickly as to appear to be a steady state. But in a moment, they will complete the tuning process and the LEDs will slow down and stop and return to the resting voltage. And it's completed the tuning process and it's back to the holding voltage. As you can see, you're able to evaluate the entire controller, all outputs simultaneously at a glance. If you had a bad driver IC, one of these 5 channels would not have illuminated LEDs. In addition, in the upper left-hand corner, you'll see LEDs that control various relay functions in the DB series antennas. And those also indicate lit activity. The green terminal strip down the middle has multiple uses. You can measure with a digital multimeter, conveniently connect up to the outputs of each of the drivers and measure the actual drive voltage. If you plug the control cable on the left, you'll be reading the loaded drive voltage, which has utility. You can also use the green terminal strip as a convenient test point to measure the EHU motor winding resistance. It should present about 22 ohms, give or take, when measured across the white and green and then red and black pairs. And if you find anything dramatically outside of that resistance range, either an open circuit or a short circuit, you know you have a compromised cable somewhere along the way. You can also use the green terminal strip to, as you can see, it's got holes on the side. You can connect up EHUs and bench test EHUs. You've got to be careful because you're going to be deploying tape. You have to control that, don't want it getting bent. Or if you have a motor that you suspect, you can directly wire the motor to one of these channels and see if it actually turns. So this board offers a great deal of utility. It will currently operate and assess all of SteppIR's amateur radio products. I don't know if it'll work on their commercial antennas or not. I suspect it will, but I've not tried it, so I'm not going to make that claim. If you have any interest in this, please contact me by way of my website, www.SteppIRtest.com. Thank you for watching. Bye now.